Hello there, guys. It's Deuce FX. I'm going to go through a little strategy that I put together over the past couple weeks. It's very simple. So basically, this is going to be composed of your Bollinger bands or your volatility bands with a 20 moving average in the middle. Of course, you want to map out your days of the week and your sessions, such as your New York, London, and the end of New York. Um, and you are going to add the trend sniper indicator on the 15-minute chart. So basically, with this strategy, is you're going to want to wait either towards the end of the Asian session um, or New York, uh, all just depending on the volatility. But most of the setups that you can get are going to happen around the London Open. So what you're looking for basically is a touch on the overbought or oversold zones on the trend sniper indicator. So like right here, for example, we had a touch on overbought, and then we are waiting for price action confirmation. We are waiting for a bearish candle to break on our 20 moving average. And what you want to do is get in once you have that candle close, and you can either set your stop loss at the prior market high or low, or you can just set it at the volatility band. And good optimal risk reward ratios for this strategy is either 2 or 3, um, just depending on what your risk appetite is like. I have been going with either 2 or 3. 2 if the volatility is low, and then 3 or 4 if the volatility is pretty high. And you can see how high the volatility is by the expansion of these bands. So if these bands are wider, then you can probably go for a better risk reward ratio. And if they are smaller, then you want to have a smaller risk reward ratio. So that's pretty much it. The strategy is pretty self explanatory. I can go over another sell situation right here. So we had a touch on the trend sniper. Price did pull back to that area, which was probably a 15-minute supply zone. As we got closer to London session, opened up, price broke the 20 MA. Price also came back to touch the trend sniper. So we got in. Oh, sorry, technical difficulties there. So we got in on a short. We put our stop right at the volatility band. We see that price is pretty volatile from the expansion of the band. So we set a 1 to 3. And we can watch this play out. And price hits our target relatively quickly over the session. Um, and that's pretty much it. I am going to take and start doing some more videos with different types of strategies with free indicators. None of them are going to be paid. The only thing that you have to pay for is the trading view, which is only like $15 a month, so it's really nothing. Um, but yeah, so you're gonna want to take and look up in the indicators on TradingView, look up buy, sell, signal. Oh, wait a second. I guess that's the wrong one. Sorry. Buy, sell, signal. And it's from Join Free, and it has 14,000 likes on there. So you're going to want to do that one. For the sessions one, it is the JRFX Addict with 884 likes. And then your weekdays is called Days of Week, and then it is D1DV, and it's only got 9 likes. And then your Trend Sniper is by FNM Capital, and they've got 1,600 likes on there. All the settings are pretty much default. The only thing that I did kind of tweak was on the sessions, was that I took out the Asian session just because the white looks a little bit cleaner. That's about it. All right. Happy trading, guys.